Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix mobile data is slow in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, on off flight mode. Open settings, scroll down, click on connections. Here you will see flight mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off flight mode. Now go back. After that, check network. Open settings. Again, click on connections. Click on mobile networks. Click on network mode. Click on 5G preferred. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reinsert SIM. First of all, you will need a SIM ejector tool. Now put this tool in the SIM tray and press it gently. Now pull out the SIM tray. Now take out the SIM. Now enter the SIM tray. Now pull in SIM tray from your phone. Now click on OK. Now reinsert SIM. This is how you can fix mobile data is slow in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.